In this video, I'll show you how to use personas in Suno AI. First, sign into your Suno AI account and go to the Create page, where you can generate new songs. Next, look for the Persona option in the song creation settings. Click it to browse your available personas, or create a new one if the feature is available on your account. After that, select the persona you want to use. A persona lets you reuse a consistent musical style, voice, or creative direction across multiple songs, helping you generate tracks with a similar sound and feel. Now, enter your song prompt or lyrics as you normally would. Adjust any additional settings, then click Create to generate your song using the selected persona. Finally, listen to the generated track and decide if you want to continue using the same persona for future songs, or switch to a different one for a new style. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use personas in Suno AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.